Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salman bin Nor Salehan, and my ID is 2022876408. So I'm going to present my home network design and improvement. So firstly, I'm going to explain about the current network in our home network. First of all, the current network operates using SIM card based router, which under yes FTG5 plan. So it's deliver speeds around 10 Mbps up until 300 Mbps, which is the max cap. So it supports 5 users with a total of 10 devices, including smartphones, laptop. While adequate to for basic activities like streaming, gaming, and video conferencing, the network face significant limitation. This include inconsistent speed due to the signal interference and congestion, and limited Wi-Fi coverage that result in that zone, which some area in the house doesn't have any connection to the Wi-Fi. And restricted scalability, which hinder its ability to handle additional devices or high bandwidth application. To address this issue, a more reliable high performance and scalable network solution is necessary to meet the household growing demands. So for the network background, the router that I'm using is R312X, which is SIM card based router, and the 55G plan. And the speed is up to 300 Mbps. But as for 4G line for the SIM card, it's going to be capped at 7 Mbps. So it depends on the line for the SIM card. And then the devices that connected to this Wi-Fi in this home network is 10 in total, uh, which which is 5 user, one laptop, and one smartphone each. So the problem is the speed fluctuation during peak usage. So, for example, when when um, I'm joining a live class, online classes, sometimes it just um, the connection just lose and just stop. Sometimes it doesn't work so well. Um, so that's the first problem. And then the second one is that zone effect coverage. So as for using this Wi-Fi, I need to be near the router to have this Wi-Fi coverage. And the third one is limited scalability for future demands. So in the future, we are going to add new devices. So, but with these 10 devices that connected to this router has led to um, slow speed for the Wi-Fi usage. So we cannot scalable this network. And then this is our physical network design. So as we can see here, we have 3 bedrooms, which total with 5 users, which is 5% in this house. And the router is in the living room, where near my study table. So the objective of this home network, um, the first one is going to be achieve consistent 600 Mbps connectivity. Second one, expand Wi-Fi coverage to eliminate that zone. The third one going to be improve reliability with minimal disruptions. Number four going to be ensure scalability for more device and higher bandwidth application. And the last one going to be future-proof the network for potential upgrades. So this is the current network design. So basically, our SIM router directly connected with the telecommunication tower, which is the Yes 5G tower. So and then all of our devices are connected wirelessly with the router. So our current network design um, consists of three layers. The first one is core layers. The core layer is going to be the tower, telecommunication tower, which is the backbone that connects us to the ISP. And then the second one going to be the distribution layer, which is the router itself, which connect us to the internet. And the third one going to be the access layer, which all the laptops and smartphone connected to the router. So for cabling details for the current network, there is no cabling details since this is wireless SIM card based communication router, and we are not using any LAN to connect our devices. So for proposed network upgrades, we're going to upgrade it to Wi-Fi 7 router, which is offered by Time Fiber. So the speed that they offer is 600 Mbps, and the devices, I mean, the devices that we're going to use for now is still 10, but we can still add the numbers of devices. And there is no issue when we are using this plan and this router. So why we are um, plan to upgrade to Wi-Fi 7 router, which is proposed by Time Fiber. The first one is it is consistent speed for streaming, gaming, and remote work, and especially for classes. Um, since it is connected using fiber, even when it's rain, there is no disruption for the signal interference. So second one is enhanced reliability, less affected by interference. So interference such as rain, I said just now. So the third one going to be scalability for higher speed plan and more devices. So let's say I want to upgrade my plans. So this Wi-Fi 7 router is already um, capable for me to upgrade to a better plan such as 1 Gbps or even 2 Gbps, if the user going to be a lot higher than right now. So the first one, for performance enhancement, the first one going to be optimized router placement, since our router placement is right far left on the house, which is in the living room, and it is not centered for the home. So it going it going to have some dead zone, if the location is doesn't change. So to ensure even distribution for high speed and minimizing dead zones. Second one, to upgrade to Wi-Fi 7 router. um, like I said just now, Wi-Fi 7 router is going to be better solution, which is it is the latest Wi-Fi technology. And the third one is utilize wired connection for high bandwidth device. So when we since this Wi-Fi 7 router going to have other several LAN port, so I'm going to use this LAN port to connect to all our devices, especially PCs and laptop. So the second one for security measures. So we're going to enable security features, router security features, which protect the network from unauthorized access and modern threats. Second one is activate built-in firewalls in the router itself, um, and add parental controls. So why we need to add parental controls? So if we want to control our network, so we need to add parental control, even though there is no child in our um, there is no child in for the users, but um, to ensure the usage for this Wi-Fi doesn't affect the network system, so we apply for parental control. So the last one is scalability. It's the first one we can implement. mesh Wi-Fi system. Um, we can implement a mesh Wi-Fi system. Let's say we want to um, change the place for router to be near our laptops, our study table. We can add um, mesh Wi-Fi to extend the Wi-Fi network. Second one is future-proof cabling since we are using fiber, and so fiber um, fiber are compatible with all the future Wi-Fi upgrade, which is all for all the routers upgrade in the future, since fiber is the best solution currently have. And the third one going to be expand storage and media capabilities. So we are going to add NAS network access storage for the system, which is which work as cloud storage for our home devices. This is the physical network designed for um, upgraded version, which the router is now replaced. We place the router in the middle of the house, so we can expect better connection for all around the house, and also eliminates red zones. So in conclusion, the proposed upgrade to fiber optic networks aim to deliver consistent and symmetric internet speed, ensuring stability for activities such as remote work, streaming, gaming, and even online classes. So fiber optic technology offers enhanced reliability as it is less affected by interference or weather-related disruption compared to SIM-based network. So additionally, the upgrades provide room for the future growth as fiber infrastructure support high-speed plan and advanced network configuration, making it adaptable to evolving household need. And that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.